Good morning, blissful crafters. Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year to everyone. Today's project is going to be puff vinyl. I ran across this place in Dallas that sells vinyl, and I found puff vinyl. So I decided that I would try to personalize a couple of sweatshirts. So today's project will be learning how to do puff vinyl for the first time. This is my first time using this type of vinyl, so we're going to be exploring this new vinyl together. So if you're interested in this video, just stay tuned. Thank you. So the first thing you're going to need for this project, you will need some type of design. My brain is fogging up this morning. So this is my design, and I'm using the Silhouette Design Studio to create this design. This isn't my idea, the design. I looked up husband and wife matching designs on Google, and this is one of the designs that came up. So I said I was going to try to redo this design and see how it would look with the puff vinyl. So the first thing you will need is a design. And let's move around to the other things that you're going to need. So I'm going to be using my Silhouette Cameo to cut. And you're going to need the puff vinyl. This is a puff vinyl, so you order puff vinyl. Something to measure your shirt with. You can use either one of these to measure your shirt with. Something to cut with in case you need to cut something. Something to weed the excess vinyl with. You're going to need your mat to put your vinyl on. And I have this handy dandy ruler that helps to center the design on your shirts or whatever you might be using. And as you can see, I got this from Cutting Corners. Got it a while ago. And these are my sweatshirts that I'm going to be using to press the design on. After you have all your material that you're going to need for your project, you want to measure your shirt or whatever you're going to imprint on. Make sure you measure it to the desired size that you want to put on your shirt, to place on your shirt. So I have my measurements together. Next thing you want to do is load your vinyl, and you want to put the shiny side down. You want the matte part to be facing you whenever you're cutting the puffy vinyl. I guess you can see the shine on the front of it, and this is the back of it, and it's matte. So I don't know if all of the puff vinyl is like that, but this particular kind that I have to cut it with the matte part up. And also make sure that you cut your vinyl. If you have a big piece of vinyl like I have, make sure to try to cut it the size you need it for the device that you're going to be cutting on. So I tried to cut it at a 12-inch width. So we're going to go with that. After you load your vinyl, you want to go back to your computer and you want to send your design to your cutter. And all of my settings are already set in place. Because the vinyl it's not that thick, I think I'm going to go with the smooth heat transfer setting for material. And that's going to leave it at a 2, the cut force. I'm going to go up here to feel. And I've already marked the colors that I want cut. So I want the machine to cut around the black, and I want it to cut around the red. This design is only going to be a one color design, And again, I don't know, I might make it 2-color, we'll see. But it's all going to cut at the same time because I have both of the blocks marked. So once you have this together, you send it to your cutter. Another thing, you guys, make sure whenever you're going to do a cut for a design for a shirt, make sure that you mirror your design so that once it cuts out on vinyl paper, heat transfer paper, or vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, it will be on the correct side once you finish weeding the material to press onto your whatever you're pressing it onto. So the design has been sent to the cutter, and this is what my machine does before it actually starts to print. So we're cutting. Overall, I think that the material, the puff vinyl, is really good so far. We're going to see how it does once it's actually pressed onto the material. So again, we're going to go to the next step. So now everything is set. All I need to do is wait for it to heat up now. Alright, so I'm going to do my pre-press. I'm just going to pull the heat press down for a few seconds just to get some of the moisture out of the sweatshirt before I actually put the design on. The press hasn't heated to where it needs to be at yet. So, well, actually it has. It's at 320. So we're ready to go ahead and press the design. As a rule of thumb, you want to press your design at least 3 fingers from the collar to where you actually want to place your design. With this ruler, it already has the length that I need to place my design on my shirt because it already has the center. And you find your center by, I normally go by the tag. And you go down the center from where the tag is. To make it easier on yourself to find your center, you can put your shirt or whatever you're doing in half, press it so you'll have a line down the middle. But like I said, I have this ruler to help me. So now I'm going to place my design. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to find my center on my design by folding it in half. And that's going to be where my center is. And I'm going to place my center, place my my design there on the center. Or do I want to bring it down a little? I'm going to put it there and look at it. Looks good. I think I'm going to leave it right there. How many fingers down is that? Let's see. I have little hands, so it should be about 4 fingers down, 3 to 4 fingers down from the center. And then I'm going to press. I have my my heat press pressure at 8. You probably can't see it, but I have it at 8. Let's see. And this is a warm peel. Oh, I can see it already, you guys. I can see it already. Okay, this is a warm peel, so I have to wait until it cools down some before I can actually. Oh, it came off already. Oh my goodness, look at this. Hold on. Now I'm gonna place my I don't know what you call this. I'm gonna place my sheet over the design so that nothing will stick to the top of my platen. Oh my goodness, you guys. This was supposed to be a warm peel, but the backing just slid straight off of it, and look at it. Oh, I love this. Look how it puffed up. Oh my goodness, I like this. I think I should have brought it down a little though. I'm gonna do mine and then I'll be back. You guys, I really love this. I really love this. The design came out exactly like I wanted it to. And overall, I think it's a very good product. I really do. Like I said before, I thought it was supposed to be a warm peel, but the backer just slid straight off. So, until next time, please like this video, subscribe, and share with anyone you feel like sharing with. You guys have a nice day.